Are you mechanically inclined or are you mechanically declined? How to tell and what to do about it. In my experience, there are very few who are totally mechanically inclined or mechanically declined. No matter what gender, region, nationality, or economic background they come from, almost anyone can learn how to make things, repair things, improve things, improvise solutions, or just MacGyver their project. And everyone at some time will make some mistake. Break something, scratch something, use the wrong tool and have to do it over again. Or just find what they made didn't do what they wanted. So now you're asking yourself, how do I know what I can do? The simple answer is try it and find out. Now I could end this video at this point. Many will just say, nope, I can't, and just skip it, spend money to buy it or replace it, or hire someone to do it for them. Instead, I want to help you to look at yourself honestly, to see if you can do the project, even though it won't be perfect, but you will have learned something, and you can point to the things you did right with a level of pride. First, no one is perfect. I can guarantee that even experts who've been doing things for years will make mistakes. They're just a lot better at minimizing the occasional error. That being said, there is every possibility that you could complete a challenging project and be happy with the results. Now, I'm going to state here that there are some who I wouldn't let near a tool ever. They have skills that make them talented in other areas, but for projects that require some ability to put things together, they're hazardous to themselves and everyone around them. Now, you may be saying, well, that's me. I'm dangerous to everyone. But is it? This can only be established by trying smaller, safer tasks and seeing the results. Then you can see what your skill levels are currently and where you need to learn more. My mother taught me a valuable lesson in learning how to do something. Don't be afraid to ask for directions. Back in the 1940s, she had a car that needed to be reupholstered. She had no money for the task, but she asked questions of the professionals, and they gave her some basic directions. Her existing talents in sewing and the directions given allowed her to do such an exceptional job that the same professionals offered her a job when they saw her work. She learned by doing. Some of our videos have given how-to directions on simple projects, and others have been more challenging. We do these videos to help. Much like the professional upholsterers helped my mother, maybe you could try a simple test project to see where your skill levels are. Here are some examples of simple projects. Changing the air filter on your car. Just in front of the battery. Yes, there's a battery underneath that plastic cover. It's held together with 4 screws in these locations. In this case, the screws are the captured type that stay with the part so you don't lose them. Chandra then unscrewed the other 3 screws. Doing basic maintenance on a vacuum cleaner. Some can be just taken outside and given a good shaking. Others should be washed with mild soap and water, then dried before putting back. If any of these filters are damaged, they should be replaced. Restoring the clarity of the headlights on your car. Clean up the bugs and grime off the lens. I speeded up the video here for the sake of time, but really does not take much time for this step. What is important is to clean the lens and then make sure it is completely dry. Then with the acetone saturated towel, a single swipe across the lens. Then folding it with a clean part of the same towel, swipe the rest of the lens. Now, simple projects need simple tools. So this is the time to start your tool collection. For some, this will grow into a huge collection. Others, they may only have 3 or 4 tools in their whole collection because that's all they're safe with. In many of our videos, the tools needed are described. And this is how your tool collection begins. Some videos even look at specific basic tools. In future videos, I'll take you through more of the basic tools as well as the ones that are more specialized, and some storage ideas that keep the tools where you need them, when you need them. Now, having these tools can give you confidence in tackling both simple and challenging projects. Now, having the tools is important, but practice is what will take you to the next level. If you change the air filter on your car once, the next time you do it, it will be easier. No matter how much you struggled, you learned something through that process. If you clean the headlights on your car once, the next time will take less time. When your vacuum cleaner needs to have the hair removed from the brush bar, it won't take as much time. That's just the start. Now you can feel confident that you can do more. If you're feeling this confidence, doing things for friends is a great way to get practice. I've done this for many years, done many different projects and things. It always gives me new challenges and new things to learn. One other way to get practice, especially on car or truck repair, is to go to a self-service salvage yard and practice removing parts on the cars there. Now there's a bonus to this. You may find the part you need at a greatly reduced price. Another way to learn how things work is to take broken or worn out parts apart after it's been replaced. This has given me insight on how things work and how to repair rather than replace some parts. You might also end up with some parts that you can build into another project. You never know. Now, videos are a great tool in learning how to do something. Watch as many as you can before doing a project. And while videos are great, a mentor or a coach is even better. A mentor is someone with experience that can guide you in building confidence in doing things and may even help you to understand how to do it as well. A coach, on the other hand, is someone who gives guidance in specific details of the task at hand, observing and directing rather than doing it for you. Now, if you're mechanically inclined and you've established this already and have skills in something, have you thought of being a mentor or a coach? I've done both at times, and the rewards of doing this are tremendous. It doesn't make you rich in money. It makes you rich in friends. Did you find this video interesting? Please share it with your friends, especially the ones that need a little boost in confidence to try doing it themselves.
Thanks for watching our video. If you like what you see, press the like button below and subscribe. And also check out our other videos.